robot.
What's his name?
R2-D2.
Tell us what R2-D2 does.
He's a robot. He tests on the good guy.
Back up.
He tests on the good guy.
Back up, Ephraim.
My turn.
Hey. What do you have, Ephraim?
I wanted to push you. Wait.
Back up.
My turn.
Back up, Ephraim. What do you have?
I want to go the buzzer toy.
A Buzz-ear toy?
Yeah.
What's Woody do?
I choose Stewie.
What?
This is Stewie.
What's yours do?
Mine does it. Mine case. Muscle, Tyler. Mine case pictures. Mine is pictures.
What?
Mine case pictures. Mine is pictures.
Don't hit him.
Or else I lose the whole video. Power. Hey.
Anyone else want to say anything?
Yeah. Me.
Well, say something.
I want to.
Well, say something.
This is my friend Robot. This is my friend Buzzer toy. And this is my friend Robot.
The camera can't see when you're that close.
This is my favorite part.
What?
This is my favorite part. Ah!
Ephraim, tell Daddy what show you're watching.
Say, I'm watching Umizoomi.
I like my turn. And he and me have lots of fun together.
Why?